Welcome back. 17 on set. Joining us this morning, Jeannie Tooncliffe, with the Executive Director of the SJCH Orthopedic Institute, and Dr. Thomas Ferro, Medical Director of the SJCH Orthopedic Institute, talking about a lecture about new advancements in hip and knee replacements. Good morning to both of you. Thanks for coming in.
Good morning.
So this is one of the lectures that you guys have been putting on and just kind of educating the public about what's out there as far as their health and taking charge of their own health.
Oh yes, San Joaquin Community Hospital is really committed to providing these lunch and learns for our community. So we have our next one tomorrow afternoon at noon.
And tell us a little bit about these new advancements in hip and knee replacements, some exciting things such as getting to go home the same day.
Yeah, so that's the big excitement here, Maddie. So traditionally, joint replacement has been a long rehab process and a long hospital stay. We've worked the last 25 years to minimize this impact on patients. 10 years ago, the research was focused on making the joint replacements work. Today, it's focused on the patient, getting them home quicker, getting back to normal activity quicker, and minimizing their pain and discomfort.
I think so many people are maybe afraid to even look into it because they don't want to deal with the recovery time afterward.
Absolutely, it's scary. In the old days, joint replacement was akin to heart replacement surgery. Nowadays, most of our patients who are allowed by insurance go home the day of surgery walking on their leg.
Wow, that is impressive. So this is something that people who are having issues with their hips and knees and joints such as that should maybe come out to hear you out.
Well, certainly. So we're going to cover the whole range because in my 25 years of doing joint replacement practice, I've gone back to some of the basics. So now we're actually looking at things like stem cells and ways to delay these procedures. But if you do have to undergo this, it's nice to know that you can have it done and come home that day and go sleep in your own bed, potentially.
Wow. Yeah, that's a big comfort to a lot of people. How can you attend this lecture?
Well, you just need to call and reserve your spot. The phone number is 869-6560, and just call and reserve the spot. It's a lunch and learn, so lunch will be included.
So free lunch and lecture. You get to learn a little bit, and then of course have lunch, and it's tomorrow. That is Friday, noon to 1. It's at the conference center over at SJCH. Again, it's free and open to the public, but please give them a heads up that you'll be coming at 869-6560. Or you can go online, sjch.us/lecture. Thank you both so much for coming in this morning. We really appreciate having you in.
Thank you, Maddie.
We'll break back after this.